Welcome to Women Locked Up Before and After. I have some for y'all. It's how to arc and microwave while you're in jail or prison to get a light to light your cigarette. And first of all, we have down here, I want to show you something. Shut that real quick. I want to show you something. Okay, this is what you can use. This is a napkin, but you can use a square of your toilet paper or two squares, actually, is what they normally use in jail or prison. But this is actually a bread tie, and you can actually get bread ties in prison from the kitchen because there's a lot, or you can get it from a kitchen worker. There's a lot of kitchen workers that have these. I'll go ahead and take this off, this bread tie, now. It don't really have to be completely off, but it has a better arc. I'll clean this mess up later. There, and there. And all you gotta do is pretty much just kind of go like this. You want to try to keep your thing as much as you can, but what I'm gonna do is put it up here, open this microwave up, and I'm gonna put it on top of this right there. Oops, you got that. So right there. I'll get a little bit close here so I can pick it up. Okay, here we go. It don't matter how many minutes you put on here, but I usually put about 1 minute. So here we go. That's how you make a light. You gotta make sure it lights first and spark. It's lit. You see that? That's how you light your cigarette. And this is how you do it. So thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and peace and love, y'all. Bye.